How to enable auto blocker in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, turn off the auto blocker. If you want to secure your phone data from hackers, make sure turn on the auto blocker. Let's see how to enable it or turn on it. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Here you can see the security and privacy. Tap on it. Again scroll down. Here you can find the auto blocker. Keep your phone safe by blocking threats and other suspicious activity. Tap on it. Here you can see the blocks apps from unauthorized source, block command by USB cable, block malware image in messaging app, or blocks non-official software updates. So make sure to click on this feature to secure your phone data or secure your phone from hackers or inactivity or unauthorized sources on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.